Alright, so I forgot to show you where I was hiking at. So I just got back to the trailhead. It's the North Chickamauga Creek State Natural Area. And we are about, let's see if I can make this focus. About right here in this area. And I think that is the mine. So this is where the trailhead begins. I was wrong, it's 0.6 miles. And we made it all the way almost to the overlook. I didn't realize I was that close to the overlook. Should have kept going. That's 2.2 miles from the trailhead. Well, anyways, thank you for coming on this hike with me. One last look. Snow's starting to stop. That's mostly just stuff coming off the trees because it's going to melt. I think it's getting close to being in the upper 30s right now. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Burkhart Miltech signing on.
What's going on, YouTube? Burkhart Miltech here, and look at what we got in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Look at this. It's snowing. And usually it don't snow like this. I mean, it's been a while since we had a dusting like this. This is a dusting. Everyone, as you can imagine, everyone here in the South is freaking out about it, driving like idiots. It's not even sticking to the road hardly. It's just like, you gotta treat it just like it's raining. I mean, it's not, there's no ice. Anyways, I'm gonna go up in the mountains and go hiking. And hopefully I can get some footage for you guys. It's just a short little day hike. This snow isn't supposed to last too long. And I'm up before the family, so I told the missus where I'm going, how long I plan to be out and all that, just your standard procedure for safety, just in case, something happens, you can get people out there. But yeah, she went back to sleep, kiddo's still asleep. But yeah, stoked. It's been a long time since we had a snow like this. It's been a couple of years. Burkhart Miltech signing on.
This is considered a blizzard for Chattanooga standards. It runs all the way down there to the river. Nice little overhang. A little cave. Well, I don't know, not a cave, just an overhang. No sweat inside, so it wouldn't be too suitable if you had to use it as a shelter. Everything's soaked in there. And if it's snowing, you might be fine, but I guess the wind blew in there, blew the rain into there. We had some pretty heavy rain the past several days. And very, very light snow yesterday. This is heavy snow for Chattanooga. People are freaking out left and right. I love it. Back in 2015, we had snow that came up to our knees within just a couple of hours. Look at that again. Well, today on this little adventure out here in the Chattanooga Blizzard 2020, I'm testing out the Helicon Tex Matilda pack. This is not going to be a review of it, it's just me showing it off. I like it. It screams old school Alice. Although the material's more thin than I thought it would be, you could pretty much see through it in daylight if you look on the inside. But it's still very rugged. It's Cadora brand, so it's like 75D, 50D, something like that. I'm not going to do a review on it. If you want a review, check out Corporal's Corner. He's the reason why I wanted to get the bag. Anyways, I'm going to go hiking. I am almost to the coal mine. Dude, I haven't got to go hiking enough. I'm out of shape. But this is more of an advanced trail. Woo! Got that dad bod going on. So what the story is the coal mine's like, it's about a mile from where you park, but it's pretty much like kind of mostly all uphill. Yeah, kind of like that right there. That's pretty steep. I don't know how it looks on the camera, but that's steep. I don't know, I wouldn't say it's a 45, I don't know. I'm not good with judging angles, and I'm already at an angle right now, so. But geez, I went from working stonemasonry to a job where I sit down all the time. And my legs are like, hey, why are you trying to step up all these for? You sitting down all the time. You ain't made for this. Excuse me, legs, but yes, you is. So, yeah, workout. All right, lads and lasses. This would be the coal mine if I remember correctly. It's been some years since I've been up here. But if I remember correctly, this is the coal mine. And, oh man. Ooh. Of course, we ain't used it in a while. I don't know when it was shut down. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, it's been since like 2017, I think, since I've been up here. That's the coal mine. It's about anywhere from 1 to 1.25 miles from the parking area. It's a beautiful little hike. Like I said, it's a little more difficult. But hey, there you go. And it took me, I think I got here around 8 something, and it's 9:19 now. Maybe I've hiked an hour, maybe not quite, just to do a mile. So yeah, it's a little more difficult terrain. And then there's, I think, three water crossings you have to do. And since we've had heavy rain, it's It's a little more tricky getting through there without getting your socks wet. It's a lot more water than usual. Let's see if I can get in there on that. Look at that. That's just pretty. We don't get this much here. It's been a while since we had snow like this here in Chattanooga. I mean, we barely had it even barely stick, and then, you know, not even an hour later it's gone once it stopped snowing. So we ain't had a good snow like this in a while. And this is good for Chattanooga. I'm sure the bread and milk is off the shelves in the stores. But geez, I love this. I wish we got this a lot more often. Last time I came here, we had big fires up on the mountains. We had several fires, and there was scorched places, but there was also a big freeze. There's icicles everywhere. It wasn't snowing, but around here there was some of the scorches. I don't know if you can still see them now. Let's do a little bit of exploring. Well, not really exploring, but I don't see anything with scorches on it. Oh, no, that tree right there. So we had some fires up here. That tree, right, where's my finger at? Right there is burnt black. I ain't going down there to show you. I bust my ass and slide all the way down. And it's a good 100 or more feet down. No, it's more than 100 feet down. Anyways, go hiking. I really need to save up money and get a GoPro for this and stop using my phone, because we'll end up screwing up my phone one day. Channel's not big enough yet to have a Patreon or whatever it's called. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Look at all that. When I first started this hike, a trail runner went by me. He had shorts, tennis shoes, and basically something that was like a long sleeve tee, but it was probably 100% polyester, you know, the moisture wicking. We have nothing else on them. I don't even think I've seen water on them. So we keep an eye out, because if you roll an ankle, because look at this. I got about 4 feet of width to work with, and then back there it's even more thin for several hundred feet. You roll an ankle running through here, there's a good chance you might just go that way. So I've been keeping an eye out, making sure I can still see his prints. Just the little things. And he had nothing else with him. No other layers, no nothing. Oh, I almost spilled right there, peeps. I don't know nothing about trail running. I imagine you want to go as light as possible, but geez Louise, I'm never going out in the woods without a knife. Some water, a way to start fire, and cordage in a container. That's very lightweight stuff you can just throw into a little fanny pack, you know? Oh well. This phone is just getting way out. Ooh, yeah, let's move out from under that. All right. Well, that's probably about as far as I'm gonna be able to go today. Pretty close to a mile and a half, I guess. Anyways, I got things I got to do today, so it's time for me to head back. It's probably gonna take me about an hour to head back. I probably won't film anything. A lot of it was uphill, and I don't know about you, but for me, going downhill is a little bit more difficult, especially with snow. So it's gonna take me probably a little bit longer to get back. But like I said, I got prior engagements I need to tend to, and I gotta make sure I have enough time to do it. So thank you for watching and coming along this hike with me and listening to my stupid ramblings. Like, subscribe, and comment. This is probably going to be the only snow day I get to go hiking, because I don't know, like I said, it's been a couple of years since it snowed like this, and yeah, this is like how it would snow when I was a kid, and it doesn't really do that anymore. So, as always, I'll see you later. Burkhart Miltech, signing off.